Hey everybody, welcome back and welcome to my latest video, which is a weekend power hour. I had the morning all to myself for an hour, so I thought I would have a whip around and get some stuff done. So it's Saturday morning, the boys have all gone off to a club and I'm on my own, which always feels good, doesn't it? But I'm not going to just sit and be lazy, I'm going to be productive, starting with tidying up the mess that has been created in the boys' little play area. Trust me, I would love nothing more right now than to just sit down and watch Married at First Sight for an hour on my own, but I know that I will feel so much better for the weekend if I just spend an hour now getting some stuff done. I'm going to wipe down the dining table using my favourite Flash spray, the bicarb spray. There's obviously a lot of mess on here from breakfast and last night's dinner, so I'm just going to wipe it all away. I literally use this spray on everything, our wooden dining table, our quartz kitchen worktops, sometimes in the bathrooms. I even use it to clean the sofas, like it's universal. Okay, into the kitchen now. I'm just gonna have a little tidy up. There's boxes and everything everywhere, so I've just cleared the surfaces and now I'm going to wipe down the worktops like I just said, using the same spray. I will just wipe down the worktop areas. I'm also just going to take a minute, to clean this little tray here that we keep our soaps, our dish soap and our hand soap on. It always seems to get filthy quite quickly, so I'm just going to take a minute to give this a really good clean. And I also noticed that the hand soap was basically empty, so I'm just going to refill the hand soap dispenser. And I'm also just going to take a minute to give our chopping board a really good scrub. We never do any sort of meats or anything on here. It's all sort of veggies or bread-based things. But I do try and wipe it down a couple of times a day. And I'm just going to continue spraying and wiping on all of the other surfaces throughout the kitchen. Okay, kitchen is done. I'm just going to tidy away this spray and put the cloth ready to be washed. And I'm going to do the bin. I'm going to empty our kitchen bin, which is obviously very full, as you can see. I'm going to get rid of this full Careful Penny bag, and I'm going to clean the bin. I always clean it before I put in a new bag to try and keep it fresh. I'm just going to spray it with guess what spray. I'm going to wipe down the inside, I'm going to wipe down the outside, and when that's all done, I will pop a new bag in. If you follow me on Instagram, you might know that our cat Penny was incredibly poorly a few weeks ago. As you can see, she is back to full health with a few bald spots, but she's doing really, really well. Okay, I've gone upstairs now. I'm going to go into the bedrooms and make the beds, starting with our bed. Just going to have a little bit of a tidy up in here and make the bed. I'll also make my toddler's bed, but my eldest son, he is nearly 7, he makes his own bed as part of his weekly sort of pocket money. So I don't need to do that one, which is nice. I'm going to grab some bathroom cleaning essentials now. I'm going to get some Domestos Power Foam, some blue cloths and a blue glove. And I'm going to clean all of the toilets. I'm going to literally go around 3 out of the 4 toilets in the house, and I'm just going to focus on them because I don't don't have enough time to be doing the entire bathroom, I'm just going to focus on toilets, just wiping the exterior and putting some gel inside of them, and I'll just move around the house and do 3 of them. Any cleaning products I use, including these blue cloths that I get asked about a lot, will be in my Amazon store. My Amazon store is always linked in the description box just underneath the video. Next thing I really wanted to do this morning was our big sort of patio doors, because they are glass, and because I have young children, they get very dirty very quickly. So I'm just going to take a minute using this glass cleaner, because it's super quick and efficient, to just wipe down all of the glass doors. I'm going to start with the interior side, and then I will pop outside and do the outside of the window as well. I'm laughing so much watching this back. I tried to do a heart. Like, what even is that? It's like some weird spaceship egg thing. I don't know, guys. How did I not manage to do a heart? It's like the most simple shape ever. Next up, we have the laundry room. An empty basket makes me very happy, but it's not going to be empty for long, because all of this clean washing on the rack is about to be folded up and put inside of that basket. So I'm going to take it all off, pop it in the basket, and that will have to be taken upstairs, ready to be put away, or I don't know, at some point today, hopefully. I was hoping the tumble dryer would be empty, but of course that had clean washing in it as well. So I will sort all of this out. It's always just pyjamas and underwear, to be honest, but I just need to sort it all out, pop that in the basket, and that will go upstairs. And as you can hear, the doorbell rang just as I was doing this. The boys are home. Not the best welcome home ever, as my toddler had pooped in his pants on the way home. So that was a lovely little surprise, as you can see from my face. But I got Clint to carry on with sorting that so that I could sort the jobs that I was in the middle of. I've taken that clean washing upstairs and I'm going to put on a load. I've grabbed my eldest's laundry basket and I'm just going to shove his stuff in the washing machine, so at least I've put on 1 load this morning before I get back to sorting out toddlers and messy pants. But guys, have a wonderful weekend. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one.